C for cat. C for cat. C for car. C for car. C for cake. C for cake. C for cap. C for cap. C for cow. C for cow. C for cup. C for cup. C for crab. C for crab. C for candle. C for candle. C for candy. C for candy. C for corn. C for corn. C for clock. C for clock. C for cloud. C for cloud. C for castle. C for castle. C for camel. C for camel. C for crown. C for crown. C for clown. C for clown. C for carrot. C for carrot. C for coat. C for coat. C for cookie. C for cookie. C for cave. C for cave. C for chick. C for chick. C for chain. C for chain. C for chain. C for chain. C for cheese. C for cheese. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. C for circle. C for circle. C for cupcake. C for cupcake. C for cabbage. C for cabbage. C for coconut. C for coconut. C for city. C for city. C for cliff. C for cliff. C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar. C for calendar. C for calendar. C for cabin. C for cabin. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. C for cactus. C for cactus. C for camp. C for camp. C for cotton. C for cotton. C for crow. C for crow. C for claps. C for claps. C for coach. C for coach. C for clockwise. C for clockwise. C for crystals. C for crystals. C for glue. C for glue. C for comet. C for comet. C for coins. C for coins. C for chalk. C for chalk. C for carpenter. C for carpenter. C for compass. C for compass. All of you, thank you so much. You learned 50 amazing C words.